Welcome, in front of me I have OPPO A15 and today I will show you how we can take screenshots without using buttons, so it's screenshot gestures. You have to go for the settings, find configuration tools. Right now you have to click on the gestures and emotions and find the gesture screenshot and tap on the switcher. As you can see, we have to swipe down with 3 fingers to take a quick screenshot. So let's make it. As you can see, the screenshot was taken. And that's how it looks. So that's a simple method. If you get some problem with your keys, you cannot press power and the volume down button, you can make this gestures screenshot like that. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.